Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? What do you say? Me being a show off, huh? Me being a show off, huh? Is it hot enough for you? It's raining out today, and I got the bird. He's going for a swim. He's taking a swim in the rain while my neighbor's mowing his lawn. He's probably getting wet too. But the bird seems to like being outside in this rain. There he is. Come on, go for your swim. It's raining out. Oh boy. You gonna go for your swim? Come on. Come on. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There's a siren coming. Oh, it's a fire truck. Here's a fire truck coming. You gonna go for your swim? It's raining out. Oh boy, is it raining. Oh boy. It's raining out, buddy. Oh boy. I better take him in. Oh boy. Oh, it's raining. Oh, is it raining? Huh? Boy, you're already too wet. Oh boy. It's raining. So what do you think, huh? You just went through a rainstorm. Oh boy. What's going on, huh? What's going on out here, huh? Oh boy, you just went for your swim, didn't you? Oh, you went for a swim, didn't you? Like the outdoor birdies. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, you're all wet from the rain, huh? Oh, it's alright. It's alright. Oh boy, what a monkey.